obviously very difficult for some families. 4029's Emily Maha tells us how the families are trying to cope with the loss.
The Vilonia mayor announced earlier today they will not be printing any more ID badges. So that means volunteers will have to check in and sign out anytime they come or go from the city trying to clean up some of the debris. Now, what you're looking at here is if you are a volunteer, this is one of the parking lots where you can park your car before heading out to help out. We caught up with one volunteer who's helping out even the littlest ones affected by this tornado.
I grew up in Vilonia my whole life. I spent 18 years here.
For Alex Ferguson, the tornado hit close to home.
I don't have a lot of brute strength and I just don't own a chainsaw.
But she still wanted to help.
Each of their families have either been victimized by the tornado in some way or they're all just trying to help out.
And Ferguson is watching their kids free of charge.
So you can just kind of forget the debris that's outside this environment and just have fun with other kids who are going through the same thing.
And whether it's by playing baseball or blowing bubbles, Ferguson is hoping these little ones know they're not alone.
They see these kids playing out here and they see them, forgetting what's happened to their hometown, and they realize, we can do the same thing. We can come together and have fun too, and we can heal from this.
Ferguson tells me even though it's finals week, she plans to get back out here and help out any way she can. Reporting tonight, Emily Maha, 4029 News.